Guys, need to show you in this video how they dig for foundation, and you can see they put 57 stone here to stay away from mud, and here you can see they poured concrete wall for elevator shaft. You can see mason dowel, and here they poured concrete for foundation for exterior footings, set anchor bolts. Okay, and stone, 57 stone for slab work. You can see they put the cup. But here the important thing here, how they did waterproofing for elevator shaft. So that's concrete work over there. Look at the conduit, step up. And here a lot of grading work, stone. Put a lot of stone to stay away from mud. You can see pipes there, 2x4 rebars. Here you can see the surveying work, roller board. Metal frames ready for slab work, turn down slab. So the important thing, after you put the building pad to grade, you need to put a stone down to grade also, and start digging. Okay guys, here you can see they did sample, so that's sample for header. You can see sample for header metal stud framing. They poured concrete here, supports it, so the architect he can see Dinzy glass work. Here you have yellow Dinzy glass. That's bricks. They use this kind of bricks. Here you can see materials, construction. You know, they use this area to store materials. You can see block on site, cement, ready for mason, bricks, plumbing work, scaffolding for mason, and the structural, the concrete, precast concrete for storm sewer system. That's the other section here. You can see rebar work here, step down. And here at that corner you can see slab level to connect the slab with the footings. But here you can see rebar down with some columns, rebars for columns, and surveying work each corner. So here I need to show you when they dig for storm sewer system running across the road. You can see here, that's big and huge structure, huge concrete structure. You can see that's big, so everything is connected to here and then running underneath. You can see the mud. They did the mud work here from outside and then from inside. That's big structure barger. Okay, here pipes, RCP reinforced concrete pipes. Here you can see they mark the gas line. Mark gas line. You can see how they will connect everything. That's a huge precast concrete. You can see silt fence, smart silt fence. Here they mark the sanitary. That's it, sanitary. Okay, temporary meter. They took it from the transformer here. And here you can see, because they need to dig from this side to this side. So they did saw cut. You can see they mark the line. They did saw cut. They use that heavy ramp, so the heavy excavator will not damage the asphalt. And here you can see they will tie everything from here to here, so they use that heavy ramp, and they mark and did saw cuts. Sometimes they teeth it, with the excavator, and later they will do saw cut. But that's the best way, do saw cut first. Okay guys, if you like this video about the grading works, storm sewer system and foundation system, please like, subscribe. I'll upload more videos about construction work. Thank you guys, bye.